As men age, particularly after the age of 50, there is a common belief that simply drinking more water is the key to maintaining health. The advice to consume 8 glasses of water a day is widespread, and while hydration is undeniably important, there is a crucial aspect of men's health that often goes unaddressed. If you are still relying solely on plain water after 50, you may be overlooking one of the most effective ways to revitalize your energy, enhance your circulation, and restore your overall vitality. Allow me to explain. I am Dr. Samra, a urologist and men's health specialist. Over the past 7 years, I have dedicated my practice to helping men understand the physiological changes that occur with age, why energy levels decline, why motivation wanes, and why that sharpness you once felt in the morning gradually fades. At the heart of these changes is a molecule that is rarely discussed, yet it is fundamental to your health: nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a critical signaling molecule in the body, responsible for regulating blood flow. When nitric oxide levels are optimal, blood vessels dilate efficiently, circulation improves, and vital organs, including the heart, brain, and muscles, receive the oxygen and nutrients they require. However, after the age of 50, the body's natural production of nitric oxide can decrease by more than half, according to research published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation and other leading medical journals. This decline in nitric oxide is a major reason why you may feel slower, weaker, and less vibrant. Unfortunately, plain water does not provide the necessary substrates for nitric oxide synthesis. While water is essential for hydration and basic cellular function, it does not supply the raw materials your body needs to produce this vital molecule. Imagine your body as a factory. Water keeps the machinery running, but without the right ingredients, production grinds to a halt. This is precisely what happens within your blood vessels as you age. They may be hydrated, but they lack the essential components to maintain optimal function. The good news is that you can address this issue by making simple, evidence-based additions to your daily routine. Let's explore how you can support your body's nitric oxide production and, in turn, restore your energy, circulation, and confidence. Nitric oxide acts as a biological spark, ensuring that your body operates smoothly. In youth, the body produces ample nitric oxide, which is why energy, stamina, and mental clarity are at their peak. As nitric oxide production declines with age, circulation weakens, the heart must work harder, recovery from physical activity slows, and cognitive sharpness diminishes. This is not merely a matter of aging, it is a physiological process that can be influenced by your daily choices. The unique role of nitric oxide is to signal blood vessels to relax and dilate, allowing for increased blood flow. This translates to improved cardiovascular health, enhanced brain function, faster muscle recovery, and a renewed sense of vitality. When nitric oxide levels are restored, you do not just feel younger, your body actually functions in a more youthful manner. Cellular communication improves, energy becomes more sustainable, and overall well-being is enhanced. Importantly, you do not need pharmaceuticals or invasive procedures to achieve this. Your body is inherently capable of producing nitric oxide. It simply requires the right nutritional support. Let's discuss the most effective, research-backed ingredients you can add to your water to boost nitric oxide naturally. The first and perhaps most powerful booster is beetroot. Beetroot is rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitrites and subsequently into nitric oxide. This conversion process is particularly valuable because it does not rely heavily on the endothelial cells lining your blood vessels, cells that tend to lose efficiency with age. By consuming beetroot, you provide your body with a direct pathway to replenish nitric oxide, effectively bypassing some of the limitations imposed by aging. Clinical studies, including those published in Hypertension and Nitric Oxide Biology and Chemistry, have demonstrated that a single serving of beetroot-enhanced water can significantly improve circulation within hours, delivering more oxygen to the brain and muscles and supporting overall responsiveness. To incorporate beetroot into your routine, simply mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder into a large glass of water. The result is a vibrant, slightly sweet beverage that can help you feel more alert and energized, with the added benefit of supporting healthy blood pressure as your blood vessels relax and open. While beetroot is highly effective on its own, combining it with pomegranate amplifies the benefits. Pomegranate is rich in polyphenols, potent antioxidants such as punicalagins and ellagic acid that protect nitric oxide from rapid breakdown. Under conditions of stress, inflammation, or poor diet, nitric oxide can degrade quickly, but the antioxidants in pomegranate act as a protective shield, prolonging its activity and ensuring sustained blood flow. Research published in Atherosclerosis and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms that pomegranate supplementation enhances blood vessel flexibility, reduces blood pressure, and increases nitric oxide bioavailability. To harness these benefits, add 1 teaspoon of pomegranate powder or a tablespoon of pure pomegranate extract to your morning water, alongside beetroot. This combination not only tastes delicious, but also works synergistically to support your vascular health. The third key ingredient is L-citrulline, an amino acid found abundantly in watermelon. L-citrulline is converted in the body to L-arginine, which is the direct precursor for nitric oxide synthesis. Unlike L-arginine supplements, which are often broken down in the digestive tract before reaching the bloodstream, L-citrulline is efficiently absorbed and converted where it is needed most. Studies in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology and Nutrients have shown that daily supplementation with L-citrulline leads to measurable improvements in circulation and vascular flexibility. To include L-citrulline in your regimen, add half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of L-citrulline powder to your morning glass of water, along with beetroot and pomegranate. This trio works through complementary pathways to maximize nitric oxide production and protection, resulting in enhanced energy, endurance, and overall vitality. Beyond these core ingredients, several other natural compounds can further support nitric oxide production and vascular health. Pine bark extract has been shown to rejuvenate endothelial cells, helping them function more effectively. Leafy green powders, such as spinach or kale, provide additional nitrates and a spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for vascular repair. Ginger contains bioactive compounds that stimulate nitric oxide synthesis while reducing inflammation, a key factor in vascular aging. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants that relax blood vessels and support healthy blood pressure. Cocoa, with its high flavanol content, strengthens blood vessels and promotes their expansion. Tart cherry reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting nitric oxide activity, muscle recovery, and sleep quality. The most important factor in achieving lasting results is consistency. The men who experience the greatest improvements are those who make this enhanced nitric oxide water a daily habit, not an occasional indulgence. Begin your day with a glass of this nutrient-rich beverage to activate your circulation, hydrate your cells, and prime your energy system. Consider a second glass in the early afternoon to maintain steady energy levels and avoid the typical midday slump. A simple starting recipe includes 1 to 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder, 1 teaspoon of pomegranate powder, and half a teaspoon of L-citrulline. Mix these ingredients dry and store them for convenience, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons to water daily. If you find the taste too earthy, a squeeze of lemon not only improves the flavor, but also adds vitamin C, which further stabilizes nitric oxide. Remember, meaningful change comes from consistency, not perfection. This is a sustainable lifestyle upgrade, not a temporary fix. Small daily actions can restore comfort, freedom, and confidence to your life. Your body possesses a remarkable capacity for renewal when provided with the right support. Prioritize your circulation, and it will reward you with renewed vitality. Thank you for your commitment to your health. Remember, age is not the end of vitality. With the right knowledge and habits, you can continue to thrive. Stay strong, stay sharp, and take charge of your well-being.